How I came up, flashed these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flashed these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this. Eyes on this prize, keep this money coming quick. Yes, yes, y'all. Freak, freak, y'all. I give them more when I hit them, stay on your feet, though. Range, but still slick, like butter in your mix. Keep my eyes on this prize, keep this money coming quick. Yes, yes, y'all. Freak, freak, y'all. I give them more when I hit them, stay on your feet, though. Range, but still. You got the smile that is such strong in my heart to tell you. Came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flashed these lights on the scene. We like to you got the smile, baby, I'm very strong. We like to the break of dawn. We like to feel, I can feel the days strong. We like to the break of dawn. We like to you're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flashed these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flashed these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flashed these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flashed these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. Hello, everybody. How's your day today? Pot Network Holdings up 60%. Oh boy, we are in a snowstorm in Vancouver, British Columbia. You can probably see a little bit right here. See the snow coming down? Yeah, that's real. That's snow in March. Come on, Canada. What's going on? Jeez. Man, oh man. How are you guys doing today? I'm having an unbelievable day. The markets, not such an unbelievable day so far. And this is why I've told you guys so many times, you got to learn to take your profits and run and leave your cash in a cash position. Keep it safe because we're in a bull market of epic proportions. And when you see stocks that are going up thousands of percent, you just know at some point the shorters are going to get a hold of it. And that's exactly what's been happening the last couple of days. And I think it's very clear to me and anybody that's trading that the markets right now are very, very dangerous, okay? They're very, very volatile. You'll be able to find opportunities like POTN, okay? But, hold on, we have a call. Hi, Angel. This is Richard. We are live on YouTube. How are you today, Angel?
I'm all right, brother. Hold on 1 second. Let me call you right back, Rich.
Okay. All right, guys. So POTN is absolutely on fire. A company in the medical marijuana space up 54% today. Now, this is a big winner coming from the underworld all the way up over a penny today, guys. Make sure it's on your watch list. Take a look at this chart. All the way up, and then it came all the way back down, and then all the way up again, up 54%. It's absolutely on fire. If you guys had POTN, congratulations. It's a big winner. And what do we do when we have winners? Do you guys know what we do when we have winners? Do any of you guys have POTN? POTN. It's a big winner, people. Do any of you guys have it in your portfolio? Are you currently up? Are you down? What is your situation today? There's a reason why I've told you guys multiple times that I want you guys to be in a cash position. And the reason why I want you guys to be in a cash position is that right now, the markets are doing crazy things. They're breaking records, going to all-time highs, but at the same time, you just know that there's going to be a retraction. Because shorters exist. And as long as shorters exist, they're just like hawks, waiting for their opportunity to pounce. Lurking on their prey. But what does this do for you? The trader, the investor, the Rich TV Live member. What does it do for you? It creates a buying opportunity. That's right. And when these opportunities are created, you will find diamonds in the rough. That's why I don't think it's smart to try to buy too many stocks all at one time. I think it's better to be a sniper, to be a ninja, and strategically look for these opportunities that are up 54% and try to get in before they start to break out. Now, a lot of you guys are saying, Rich, you give me your alerts, but when you give me your alerts, the stock is already up, Rich. What do I do? It's already up. Do I buy it? Do I not buy it? I've told you guys this before. I do not like to buy stocks when they're up. When they bring you guys those alerts, it's not to tell you guys to buy it. This show is strictly for entertainment and education purposes. Now, if you choose to buy a stock, it should not be because you saw my alert. The reality is I get alerts every single day from people all over the world because I'm signed up for a lot of different alerts. I get alerts all the time. And hopefully you've got the Rich TV Live app and you're getting the alerts as well. What I want to do is I want to teach you guys how to build a watch list. I want to teach you guys how to watch your watch list and how to understand by just looking at your watch list how the market's doing today. So when I give you those alerts, I simply want you to put them on your watch list and I want you to watch them and I want you to see the way the market responds to those stocks going up. Because typically they're going to go up and then there's going to be selling pressure and it's going to take it back down. Okay? We can show you 6 stocks that are up today. MYOS. And these are all in our price range, people. ICBU in the sub pennies up 25%. Look at this. It's traded 65 million shares at 004, guys. That's over $240,000 that's gone through this penny stock today. That's substantial. So when you start seeing the volume, then that starts giving me signals, starts giving me like my spider senses start tingling. Okay? And I start wondering what's going on here. This is up 25%. It's traded 65 million shares. What's really happening? Why are these companies going up when all the other companies are going down? Let's take a look at a company, NAK, that, let's just say, has been going through some serious troubles. And anyone that knows anything about this company knows that it's been a really bad ride for a while. Okay?
Are you listening?
NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals. Do you like it? It's up 5% today. It was at $3 a few weeks ago. And then all of a sudden some news comes out that says that their number one mine is going to cost them more to mine it than it can actually bring out as far as revenue for the company. So what happens? The stock plunges. Let's see what bar chart thinks. Shall we? So bar chart is giving it a 64% sell. Now remember, I said, you want to be a ninja. You want to be a sniper. So when you see companies go all the way up from $1, where they came, and then go all the way up to over $3, well over $3, to probably about, we'll find a little bit more, but probably about 340-ish, 330, 340-ish, being a high. And then it comes off the cliff, all the way down, because of that horrible news. So people are asking me, Rich, when do I buy? 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 Who's watching? Who exactly is watching right now? This information is for free, people. Look at this. What do you guys think is about to happen here? You gotta be a hawk. You gotta learn how to identify these buying opportunities. Now, if bar chart is saying it's a 64% sell, why would I even be thinking about buying this stock? Well, let's take a look at some news and some evidence to prove why I think this could turn around. Now, it might go all the way back down. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. It is true. It is possible. However, there's some news here that makes me and leads me to believe that NAK could start to rebound. And there could be a great buying opportunity, because if you can get in right now at $1.25 and it goes to $2, and I'm not suggesting it's going to go to $3 right away, but if it goes back to even $2, that's a pretty great return. And let's read why I think it's possible, shall we? Northern Dynasty, why Kerrisdale is wrong about why Anglo-American exited. Okay? Let's take a look at this, guys. All right. So, let's just read it from here, okay? I redoubled my efforts and can't find any public evidence pointing to an Anglo-American abandoning the Pebble project for capex overrun reasons. I present more facts and provide important context for why Anglo pulled the ripcord after spending $551 million to eventually earn a 50% project interest in Pebble Mine. We are considering buying more shares if they dip today. Now, that's his opinion, and he's probably down on the stock, guys. So understand, that's his opinion. He's giving his opinion for a reason, and maybe he just wants the stock to go up. So I don't want anyone buying the stock based on what I'm saying or based on his opinion. I just want to start showing you guys how I research companies, and I'm not buying the stock, but I'm watching it because I want you guys to understand how to get deeper, how to get really, really, really deep. You need to know how to get deep. You got to read between the lines and start trying to identify undervalued, underappreciated, and underexposed opportunities. So despite a recent aggressive short campaign, Northern Dynasty NAK longs should stay the course. So he's saying, if you believe in this company, it has the potential to go back up. At issue is Kerrisdale Capital's claim that Anglo-American OTCPK AAUKY abandoned its joint venture with NAK over inferior mine economics. So you can go and see the original article, okay, guys, if you want. And this is Seeking Alpha, guys. This is a great app and a great tool to use. And I brought you guys a lot of great tools and a great apps. And I suggest you use this one too. It's called Seeking Alpha. And I get a lot of great information from Seeking Alpha every single day. But this will go on. And it'll actually go into why he believes this company is a good company and why he thinks this stock could turn around. Now, what he has here, which is evidence, which I really like, he says, see this morning's NAK press release. So he's putting evidence behind his opinion, which is good. So let's click on that. See this morning's press release, shall we? I like evidence. I want to know why it's a good time to buy. Don't you guys agree that it's important to know why it's a good time to buy? Let's blow this up. Let's blow this up. So this is a press release from today. March 8, 2017, from Vancouver, British Columbia, Northern Dynasty Minerals, NDM on the TSX in Canada, NAK on the New York Stock Exchange market, announces that its 100% owned subsidiary, Pebble Limited Partnerships, has selected HDR Alaska to serve as a lead regulatory and permitting consultant for the Pebble project, with the goal of preparing necessary documentation to initiate federal and state permitting under the Clean Water Act, CWA, and National Environmental Policy Act by the end of the year, and in anticipation of a successful outcome of the company's multi-dimensional strategy to address the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's EPA preemptive regulatory action under Section 404C of the Clean Water Act. HDR has provided environmental and technical consulting services to Northern Dynasty and the Pebble Partnership since 2004, with a specific focus on wetlands, water, aquatic habitat, and fish studies, as presented in the 150 million, 27,000-page Pebble Environmental Baseline document published in 2012. So, there's a lot of big news that's coming out right now. HDR is one of the many respected Alaska-based consulting firms that has provided professional services to the Pebble project for well over a decade. So they're already immediately familiar with the unique challenges and opportunities presented by our project, says Tom Collier, CEO of the Pebble Partnership. As a firm, HDR not only has an enviable track record for helping permit some of Alaska's most... So these guys have they have an unbelievable track record, people. They have a track record for helping permit some of Alaska's most prominent mines, okay? Energy and infrastructure development projects. Their senior personnel are also former federal and state regulators with a deep understanding of regulatory processes and requirements for permitting success in Alaska and the United States. I believe there could be a turnaround in NAK, and I want you guys to put NAK in full alert. Don't buy it. I just want you to put it on your watch list, put it on your radar, because they're fighting the news and the accusations that they are not able to mine the number one mine that is their precious mine, that has been their catalyst that has taken this stock above and beyond. And as you can see, in the last month alone, they're up still 16%. So they've been much lower, okay? They've gone all the way down, and I told you they would after the news came out. And they've gone all the way down here, but still, guys, look, they were at 28 cents. They're still up 350%. If they were a junk stock, they would already be back at this price. So people do believe that this company is going to still be a strong company. So when will it be touching the bottom? What we want to do here on Rich TV Live is we want to identify undervalued, underappreciated, and underexposed opportunities, and there's always a reason why they're underappreciated, undervalued, and underexposed. And we want to be able to identify that and those opportunities in real time here on Rich TV Live. We want intelligent conversations in the chat rooms. I want the best picks in the universe in the chat rooms. That's what we want to talk about here on Rich TV Live. And when we see stocks that have been up at $3.45, and then they get attacked, have class action lawsuits, and then they go all the way down, all the way down. Can you imagine when you see a stock like this? So when you see that happen, what it does to me is it gives me a trigger, a signal that, hey, you know what? This could be a buying opportunity. Because what goes down must come up. And if it's a really, really, really bad company, it would probably be already at 28 cents. So how come it hasn't gone down that low? Why did it go down to $1, but it's not going lower than 108? There's a reason, and it's because people believe this is a good company. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about NAK? Do you think it's a winner? Do you think it's a winner from these prices? They're doing all the right things to fight the good fight. This is a fight, good versus evil. The optimists, the day traders, the people like you and me, the retail investors, anybody that believes in companies that want to buy stocks against the shorters, the vultures, the inside sellers, the promoters, anybody that has shares in the company that's just looking for a reason to sell. What do you guys think? Do you think this is a buying opportunity? I want to find buying opportunities on Rich TV live for you guys every single day. I want to bring those to you first before anybody else on the planet. We've already got our own app, so you guys can see what we're doing in real time. And we're growing. We're all over the planet. And you know what? I got to give some recognition where recognition is due. Because some of you guys are bringing me winners. I want to give it to Dan the IT guy for creating the app and put QPAG on your radar. Put it on your watch list. Dan brought it to my attention. It's an undervalued opportunity. I'm not saying buy it, people, but I like it. It could be a winner brought to you by Dan the IT guy. Now, I want to bring you guys some more picks that I like. Put TEAR on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Brought to you by David Coggins. Also put AAOI. Brought to you by David Coggins. Also put CARA on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Brought to you by David Coggins. Now I know, Sherry, you brought me AAOI yesterday, but David brought it to me first, so I had to give him a shout out. Thank you, David. Keep bringing me your winners, guys. I want your top 10. We're into March Madness. We're right around the corner. Send me your picks, people. I want your winners. I want to know why you're going to be able to pick stocks that jump 40%. I want to see stocks that are up more than 19%. I want to see if you got stocks right now that are up more than 54%. I want to see if you got stocks that are up more than 74%. I want to know if there are any other stocks out there in the universe that are up more than 25%. Give me your picks, people. I want to know, do you got picks? Show me your picks. Tell me your picks. MMEX. Ask and you shall receive. Let's take a look at it. Is it a big winner or a big loser? Let's see, shall we? MMEX. Wow! Big winner! MMEX! Give it up to Squeeze 2469. A big winner, up 114%. Look at this incredible volume. 472 million shares have traded at 006. Do you guys know how much money that is? That is $2.4 million. Actually more, let's just say $2.5 million that's gone through a sub-penny underworld stock today, guys. MMEX. Put MMEX. It's a big winner. I love it. Put MMEX on your radar. Put it on your watch list. It's a big winner. And what do we do when we find winners, guys? What do we do when we find winners? What do we do? MMEX! I love it! MMEX. Now be careful, guys. My disclaimer is you do not want to buy stocks when they're up 114%. You want to date the stocks. You want to put them on your radar, put them on your watch list. Because as you can see, this stock has come from the underworld. It has absolutely exploded and done some incredible things. So you definitely want to watch it. You want to get to know the stock. You want to put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. You don't want to necessarily buy it right away because you could get very badly hurt. As you can see, it's up 6,200%. It's come up from 0001 in the last week. 6,200% in a week, people. That's what we do here on Rich TV Live. We identify winners before anybody else on the planet in real time. Are you kidding me? 6,200% in a week? That's a $62,000 return in a week. $620,000 return on a $10,000 investment. $62,000 return on a $1,000 investment, people. That's what I want to do. I want to identify winners, guys. That's a huge winner. I love it. Give it up. MMEX. I want to give you guys some time to look at the show. It's a beautiful show. Put it on your watch list, guys. It's on fire. These are the types of moves we're looking for. Undervalued. 006, which means it's under a penny. Take a look at the bids here, guys. There's lots of power here. Lots of power. Okay? Lots of buying pressure. Lots of selling pressure. Let's see exactly how many trades it's done. So as you can see, it has done 3,000 trades today. It came right out the gates, whoop, all the way to 008. Wow. Came all the way back down. And now they're back all the way up. Absolutely unbelievable. As you can see, the bids are getting smashed. So there's a lot of sellers in here right now, which is understandable. You're up 114%, and that's exactly what I talk about. If you got into this stock and you're up 6,200%, hit your air horn, get your popcorn, take your money and run. Put yourself in a cash position because the markets are in the red and a lot of people are losing. This is why I said put yourself in a cash position. Make sure you're investing in companies that are good companies. Stay in a cash position. And if you're investing in penny stocks, take your money and run because they go up and they go down very quickly and you don't want to get hurt. And you don't want to be stuck in stocks when they're getting destroyed and the shorters, the vultures, have got a hold of it and they're taking them down. Now, I want you guys to give me some marijuana stocks that are up today and try to find some because I'll be honest with you guys, the marijuana stocks today are getting crushed. They are. Let's take a look. TWMJF, the LeBron James of medical marijuana, is down 5% yet again today. And it's just been getting beat down and beat down and beat down. And this has been a consistent trend for the last week or so. Ever since Mr. Sessions had, talked about his opinion on, marijuana and comparing it and associating it to heroin, we've seen a serious dive in medical marijuana stocks. And I believe that that's a great thing. And I'm going to explain to you why. Now, it's not a great thing for your holdings. Obviously, any of the holdings that I have right now are going down, and any holdings that you have are going down. However, if you're being smart and staying in a cash position, and you've been a sniper, and you've been sitting on the sidelines with your cash, ready to snipe, now is the time to see how low it's going to go. And a lot of you have been asking me, when should I buy? When should I buy? When should I buy? Well, isn't it funny? I've been saying that TWMJF and WEED, which is the same company, Canopy Growth Corp, the Canadian symbol, which is WEED, it's been trading between $9 and it's been trading between like $13. Not really 13, about $12.50. It's got as high as like $12.90. So it goes up and it goes down. It goes up and it goes down. And it stays kind of in that range. So we're getting close to that range now, okay? TWMJF, if you see the chart here, if you take a look at the 3-month chart, it's pretty predictable how it's been trading. If you take a look at it, it was at $8, went all the way back down to under 7, went to about $6.50 here on December 19th, and then it's gone all the way back up, and it's gone all the way up to as high as just a little bit over 10. Okay? Then it's come all the way back down now again, creating yet again a buying opportunity. So we're right back where we started, guys. Isn't it funny how the game works? And remember I told you want to learn how to play between the lines. You want to learn to buy low and look for those triggers. Buy low, okay? And then when it runs up, you don't get greedy, guys. You sell high, okay? So this is starting to create a buying opportunity. And very soon, I'll be buying more. And I'll be positioning myself because it's right where it's been at the lowest level in the last 3 months. Now, if you've seen it fall off a cliff like this is, what you want to do is you want to wait to see how low it's going to go. There's no need to jump in right away. What's the rush? Is there really a rush? Like, what's the rush? You have to understand the alternative, guys. If you're not snipers and you're not ninjas, you're losers. Because what happens is, in the markets are so volatile. If you're not doing this smart and getting in and positioning yourself at a very low price, you're going to get hurt. Because if you went and just bought this thinking, oh, it's going to keep going up to the moon and beyond, it won't. It just won't. So what's going to happen is going to come back down like it always does, and then it's going to create a buying opportunity. And if you buy here again or a little lower, it will go back up again. That's what it does. That's what stocks do. They go up and then they go down because shorters exist. And because the shorters exist, they're always going to be looking for an opportunity to take the stocks down. You guys just have to understand that. You guys really, truly have to understand what is happening. You know, you really have to understand the game within the game. The medical marijuana industry is going to continue to grow. Okay? Some of the most successful entrepreneurs in Canada and the United States, billionaires, are investing in the medical marijuana space. And when some of the biggest companies like Canopy Growth Corp, who are up only 9% in the last month, or 21% in the last 3 months, or 321% in the last year, are down to these levels, what it's doing is it's starting to signal a buying opportunity. Start to understand how to see power. The big MO, which I've talked to you guys about a lot, which stands for momentum. That is an extremely important thing. Bar chart is going to be able to determine their opinion. And as you can see, their opinion is this is a 24% sell. So what they're telling you is right now, the majority of the momentum is down. But what that's doing is it's creating buying opportunities for people that are snipers. People that are ninjas, that are just looking for the right time to pounce. And when the Michael Jordan or the LeBron James of medical marijuana stocks goes down, all the medical marijuana stocks go down. Let's take a look at some more medical marijuana stocks. ACBFF. Aurora Cannabis, a company that I absolutely love. Bar chart's giving it a 48% sell, guys. Look at its 3-month chart. It's gone up to $2, came back down to $1.50, went up to $2, came back down to $1.75, went up to over $2, and is now started to come all the way back down, and the shorters have got a hold of it to now where it's at $1.68. So, what do you think? I think I'm starting to think bye. Bye. Because look at this chart, guys. The lowest it's been is $1.50 in the last 3 months. And this is the Steph Curry of medical marijuana stocks. They are huge at $1.68. That's like picking cherries. I'm going to be able to show you this video in a short period of time in the future, and this stock is going to be higher. Just saying. Let's look at some more, shall we? How come they are all in the red at the same time? PRMCF, one of the hottest stocks in the universe, medical marijuana deal, the Kronos Group. Look at this 3-month chart. It was under $1. Went all the way up to well over $3. And now it's coming back down. What do you guys think? Look, it's up 600%. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a winner? I want your opinion. Take a look. Is it a buy signal, people? I want to know. Give me your opinion when you see stocks like this, and then they start to explode up, and then they come off the cliff. What do you think, guys? Tell me what you see. I want to see what your eyes see. What do your eyes see? Tell me. I want your winners, people. Bring me your winners. Angel. I'm live, buddy. Hold on. Let's hear that again. Who's in town?
We've got the Kronos Group in town, PRMCF and MJNA.
Wow. Well, hey, I'm going to be available all day long, and we can bring these guys live to you, the people. You have spoken. All the marijuana stocks are down today. I want to know these CEOs' opinions. I want to know what they think about the fact that all the marijuana stocks are down today. What's going on over there at the conference?
Well, we're going to be trying to bring you some live coverage and bring you some interviews with CEOs from the Investor Summit today.
So we're going to be speaking potentially with MJNA. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about this company. A medical marijuana deal is down 2% today, traded 5 million shares at 11 cents. Now, they're one of the people that wanted to be on Rich TV Live. Do you think you'll be able to actually get them on the show today?
I hope so.
That's amazing. That's amazing. You are a true angel.
PRMCF as well. It's going to be, we got the CEOs and the chairman of the Kronos Group. That's going to be here at 2:45. So
well, we are huge. We are huge.
Bringing him on the show.
We are huge fans of the Kronos Group. This stock has been on fire. It's now started to dip back down, signaling a buying opportunity for all of us, which is incredible. But we got to be smart, and we want to see how low they can go and get ourselves in as low as humanly possible, and then get ready for the next big wave of buying when it comes in, so that when the next big wave comes in, you're out. You're in and out like a sniper, like a ninja. And Angel himself has gone in and out of this stock. How many times, Angel?
Oh, at least 3 or 4 times, Rich.
In and out. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Learning how to play the charts, guys. Learning how to buy low, learning how to sell high. That's the name of the game. If you can get the Kronos Group on Rich TV Live, my friend, that would be incredible. I would be so grateful. I know that the people at home would love to hear directly from the Kronos Group. I'd love to hear from them. I'd love to be able to have an ongoing dialogue with them and a lot of the companies that are at the conference. So please continue to network, continue to do a great job, and I'll be available all day today to speak to anybody that you would like to speak to live, and we'll stream it right on YouTube.
Good deal, Rich.
All right, Angel. So if you got any more guys...
We'll come to you live in just a little bit, buddy.
Yeah, no problem, buddy. Thank you so much, Angel. You are a scholar, my friend. Thank you for everything. Have a great day.
You're welcome, Rich.
And God bless. And I really am sorry to hear about everything that's happened. And I wish you and your family the best.
I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Cheers. All right, guys. We want to give it up to Angel. Unfortunately, he had some really bad news a really, really close family member passed away, and we just want to give, a moment of respect for Angel and his family. But he's a true trooper, and he is an angel. He is still moving forward with the conference and doing everything he can to bring you guys winners every single day. And that's what I'm talking about, people. People coming together and working together as one, as a unit, as one unit. We are one unit, people. We are not individuals. We are all connected. We are a unit. And together, as a team, we can all achieve more. I believe we have the opportunity to go to the top, to be number one. Bring me your picks. I'll bring them to you in real time. Every single day. Absolutely free. We're finding winners on days when there's just losers, because the market's in the red. All we're seeing is red. You guys don't know what this is. That's the Portuguese coat of arms. The Portuguese, I'm going to give you a little history lesson. The red is for our blood, and the green is for our land that we fought for. And guess what? We are all connected, people. That's right, we are all connected. We are one. We all just want to have freedom. We all want the opportunity to make money, and we all deserve it. That's right. You deserve freedom. Get off your couch. Get off your lawn chair. Get up. Get a trading account. Go to your local bank. I don't care if you're a billionaire or if you've got $10 in your account. You could change your life by finding deals like OCRX that go up 76% in a day. If you have that eye, and we don't know who does. Some of you are sitting at home thinking, should I do it? I'm afraid. Don't be afraid. You don't have to spend any money. I'm not charging you any money, guys. This is absolutely free, and you can actually do it for fun and educational purposes and just learn how to read the markets and learn how to identify winners before they start to break out. 48% every single day. You guys have been bringing incredible winners. XTNT. Let's take a look at XTNT, shall we? XTNT. Let's take a look. XTNT. All right, guys, take a look at XTNT. Brought to you by Kyle. Up 4% today on the Amex at 86 cents, up 4.7%, and traded 8.6 million shares. Put it on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. Let's take a look at some more. Do you guys have any more winners? I want winners. MMEX. Let's take a look at MMEX one more time. MMEX up a ridiculous 146%. Take a look at the buying pressure, people. 100,000 shares at 006. You can see the buying coming in. 202,000 shares just came in at 0069 on the offer. People are bidding for it at 0066. The offer is at 0069. Right now the offer is at 0065. Somebody just hit the bid with 10,000 shares. Look at the chart. It went all the way up, came all the way down, and look at this big Mo standing for momentum, going all the way up. It's incredible, people. The momentum here is just staggering. MMEX, a sub-penny stock, one of the hottest stocks of the universe. That's what I want to do, guys, on Rich TV Live every single day. Bring the real big winners that are up every single day right now that are hot. We got MMEX. We got OCRX. We got POTN. We got MYOS. We got ICBU up a crazy 43%, trading 68 million shares at 0041 by 0046. Be careful, there's a big spread here. So you want to be able to make sure you tighten that spread. NAK, since I've been talking, it's been going up, guys. Who's watching? Who exactly is watching? Why are you buying my picks every time I talk about it? What is exactly going on right now? Let's do this. If you want some picks and you want me to mention your name right now, we got the lightning round. There's 9 minutes until we're signing off. Give me your picks, people. I want to hear your picks. I'm enjoying the show on MMEX. Are you enjoying the show? Viva Benfica! Shout out to all the Portuguese. Love you all. Make sure you like and subscribe. Support a local pork chop. That's what I'm talking about, people. Let's do this. Let's do this, people. Give me your picks. I want to know, who are your winners? Give me your big winners.
You got the gift to make me perfectly satisfied.
I want winners, people. What do we got? Did I find all the winners? Have you found already all the winners today? Are there any other winners? MMEX. OCRX. POTN. Show me more. I want more. Anything up 20% or more. Bring it. 43%. 7.6%. Bring me your winners.
Here's my advice. I told you once, and I'll tell you twice. The way I feel.
Stay in a cash position.
I told you once, and I'll tell you twice.
CYNX. Why are you giving me these picks, people? Give me real picks. Real picks, please. Real picks. Real winners. On Rich TV Live, all I want is winners. You too can be on Rich TV Live. You too can create freedom. Anybody can do this. Get off your couch and get a trading account. It's free. Download the Rich TV Live app on Google Play. It's free. I ain't going nowhere, people. I'm going to be bringing you winners every single day.
I can feel all the feelings strong, 'cause you are the one I belong to. Yes, you are, and yes, you are the only one, 'cause there's something special about you. I can feel all the feelings strong.
That's what I'm talking about, people. A winner. Give it up to Thomas Janik. Hell yeah. I want winners, people. CNXS. This is the magic of Rich TV Live, people. Bringing winners every single day. Up 26%. Trading 8.8 million shares. Hell yeah. I'm telling you guys right now, if you guys want to make money, you guys need to get onto Rich TV Live. You need to get onto richtvlive.com. You need to learn how to call up these CEOs and get them on Rich TV Live, and we will put them on YouTube, and we charge them $10,000 a month, and you can work with Rich TV Live as a consultant, and you can make money from home watching Rich TV Live every day. And if you buy a stock and it goes down, you can call me, and I'll teach you how you can call them and get them to get onto Rich TV Live, and they can actually get some exposure, and you can actually get an opportunity to make money by bringing people to Rich TV Live. And if you're Facebook and you've been watching Rich TV Live and you're looking for original content, well, guess what? There's nothing more original than Rich TV Live, the fastest growing show on the planet. Thanks to you, the people, you have spoken. You want to be heard. You want to be recognized. CCTL. Let's take a look at it, shall we? CCTL. Coin Citadel. Wow. You guys. Let's give it up to Thomas Janik. You are a scholar, my friend. You are a winner. Thomas, you are a scholar. Rich TV Live salutes you. The people salute you. Up a staggering 42%. Trading 154 million shares. At 001, coming up from the underworld. This is what we want to do, people. We want to find the gold, the diamonds in the rough. I want you to bring me winners every single day.
Career is 30, paper coming in, blurry like snow blurry. All I do is win. Black tinted windows, can't see through it. Days in his haze, so I thought you knew. Career is 30, paper coming in, blurry like snow blurry.
Give me more. TAKD. Wow, TAKD up 564%. But look, guys, only 1,000 shares. I want to see volume. Bring me volume. Put it on your watch list. From Dan the IT Guy. Thank you, Dan the IT Guy. An LED lighting company for growing. For anyone that likes medical marijuana stocks, put TAKD on your watch list. Put it on your radar. It's a winner, up 564%. Incredible. Stay in the cash position. Stay in a cash position. Be a sniper. Be a hawk. Hawk your prey. I love you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you keep bringing the winners. Bring me your top 10, guys. Send it to richtvlive@gmail.com. Download our app on Google Play. It will be on iTunes very soon, thanks to Dan the IT guy. And keep watching. I'm going to have some videos, some CEOs, some secret CEOs coming live on Rich TV Live later today. Make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, all I do is bring you winners. $72%. Wow. 74% in real time. MMEX, the hottest stock in the universe, up 189%. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, my secret's still dirty. I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flash these lights on the same. And yeah, my secret's still dirty. I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this. Eyes on this prize, keep this money coming quick. Yes, yes, y'all. Freak, y'all. I give them more when I hit them. Stay on your beat, though. Range, but still slick, like butter in your mix. Keep my eyes on this prize, keep this money coming quick. Yes, yes, y'all. Freak, y'all. I give them more when I hit them. Stay on your beat, though. Range, but still.
You got the smile that is etched on my mind to tell you.
Came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flash these lights on the scene.
We like to you got the smile that is etched on my mind to tell you. I can feel the feelings trying to tell the one I belong to. Yes, you are.
You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flash these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flash these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flash these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. You're looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flash these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this.
Yes, you are.
All night long, we like to party till the break of dawn. We like to feel.
Looking at me, yes, they gonna remember my name. And how I came up, flash these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah, came in the range with this fame. You're looking at
Do you want more?
flash these lights on the scene. And yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed.
Oh. Should I just keep going?
Yeah, my sneakers still dirty, I ain't changed. Nah.
We like to party all night long.
Cause you
We like to
are
party till
my
the break of dawn. We like to party.
stop.
Do you guys want more?
Cause you
If you want more,
are my
I might just have to keep going. I don't know. It's up to you guys. AEPP. Let's take a look at it. We're going overtime. AEPP. Let's take a look. AEPP. Let's take a look at AEPP.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it off.
Wow! One more winner for you! Brought to me! Brought to you by Dan the IT guy! AEPP. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Make sure you like and subscribe. Because all you do, is bring me winners.
Get your popcorn ready, everyone!